Bite him.
Mavi, don't bite him. Hush, Bippy, it's okay. Viper, hush. It's okay. Don't bite it, Mavi.
That'll take us to double zeros, end of one.
Oh no, he knocked the roller.
That's Sunday night football.
No, don't bite him, Mav.
After these messages.
Mavi, don't bite him.
Got him, man. Now we can do it.
The machines.
Don't bite him, Mavi.
They're curious because they've heard that there are new machines, brilliant ones,
No, just.
and they're coming to see for themselves. Machines with the technology, the scale, and the ability to communicate, make the world work together. And now all the machines want.
It was my nice kid.
Papa and Peyton have been Good idea. 2 million free pizzas.
Don't bite it, Mavi.
1 million.
No, Mavi, don't bite it.
2 million pizzas it is. Let's do it. You can still win. Papa John's is still giving away 120,000 free pizzas each week through the end of the season.
Don't bite it. Mavi, don't bite it.
For a large 5-sausage pizza, it's just $11. Or any large, $1 more. Better ingredients, better pizza. Papa John's. Wait till you see what's in there.
What a pain.
I've never seen. This GE jet engine can understand 5,000 data samples per second, which is good for business, because planes use less fuel.
Don't bite it, Mavi.
Zero top in the air. Suddenly, faraway places don't seem so far.
Don't bite it.
You killed the pig. Are you happy now?
This is it. The first finale. It's down to your top 3 plus performance.
My poor kid.
Mars and Kelly Clarkson.
My poor kid.
Yeah,